Ilocos Region or Region 1 is a part of the Luzon Island Group. It is composed of 4 provinces. The regional center is the city of San Fernando. There are 9 cities, 116 municipalities, and 3,267 barangays. Ilocos Region, officially designated as Region 1, is an administrative region in the Philippines occupying the northwestern section of Luzon. It covers 4 provinces, namely Ilocos Norte, Ilocos Sur, La Union, and Pangasinan. The regional center is the city of San Fernando. Ilocos Region is bordered clockwise from the northeast by the Cagayan Valley, Cordillera Administrative Region, Central Luzon, and the South China Sea. The following are the 4 provinces comprising Region 1 or Ilocos Region. For Ilocos Norte, the provincial center or the provincial capital is Laoag City. It is composed of 2 cities, 21 municipalities, and 559 barangays. For the province of Ilocos Sur, the provincial center or the provincial capital is Vigan City. It is composed of 2 cities, 32 municipalities, and 768 barangays. For the province of La Union, the provincial center or the provincial capital is San Fernando City. It is composed of 1 city, 19 municipalities, and 576 barangays. For the province of Pangasinan, the provincial center or the provincial capital is Lingayen. It is composed of 4 cities, 44 municipalities, and 1,364 barangays. Once again, for Ilocos Region or Region 1, there are 4 provinces, 9 cities, 116 municipalities, and 3,267 barangays. And the regional center is San Fernando City. And that is all about some things that you need to know about Ilocos Region or Region 1. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.